Yeah, man, y'all already know what it is, man. Y'all see what it is. It's cold toys or no toys. And what we doing? Hating for the horde.
I ain't looking for no man. I ain't recruiting no new friends. When we bad, filled with bands. Gone, sexy, do your dance. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Get it sexy. Boy, you know this super fast. Me good, I'm throwing it back. He wanna kiss me all over my tag. I'm so sexy, they attack. Feeling myself cause I know that I'm there. Riding through St. Louis in the scared. What's down middle point, I got it black. Walking through the club looking like a snack.
Oh man, y'all can come down here, man, you know what I'm saying? Grab your little shorty, man, and come lay up in one of these islands, man. It ain't just Chalone, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't hating on Chalone, man. Chalone poppin', nigga. That's like the lyrics, nigga. In the water, nigga. You feel me? I'm just saying, man, there's other shit you can do, you know what I'm saying, besides that. But you wouldn't know if you ain't booked with who? Gold tours or no tour. You did.
Go, awesome, got me though. Little man sexy, walking down the street.
Yeah, man. We're gonna go out the water, man. Y'all ready, man? Can y'all swim, man? Hold y'all breath, man. Cause I'm doing this cause nothing left, man. Let's go.
That's about that when this man. This is all gone, not too long too, you know, man. Yes, sir, man.
Yeah, man. When y'all boys come down here, man, make sure y'all holler at my boy right here, man, the boss with your line.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, and he speak the English, man. You feel me? So, that's what you holler at.
If you want to come back here to Island Cholong, that's about me. Got the air company America, you know. Big boss, man.
Yeah, man, y'all already know, man. It's that boy, GOLDIE Mack on GOLDIE Mack TV. You dig? You see the kid live in Cholong, man. Hola, hello. ¿Dónde eres? Oh, she ran from it, man. That's how regular they are, man. You know what I'm saying? They down here regular too, man. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah, man, welcome to Cholong, man. We on, man. Follow me around, baby. About to go see the grub, man. We got big grub on the way. See the water sports. See everybody pulling up in their whips. You see the Cadillacs, the Phantoms, the Oldsmobiles, the Ferrari pulling up. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, man.